Good morning guys, hope you guys are fine. Okay, so this is what it is. Now we are back again in a new day, hoping for the best, because we always say hoping for the best. There's nothing like we give up. Okay, so we're gonna do three strategies. The first strategy that we're going to do is this one of using these numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Are we clear? 14 plus 1 is 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. 24 plus 3, that's a 27. 38 plus 4, that's a 42. Am I right? Yes. 5 plus 40 is a 45. 6 plus 42 is a 48. 7 plus 17 is a 24. So which means 24 or 42. Okay, they've already dropped. This is something else now. Okay, it's fine. We're just trying to spot what we have. Then we go now to this strategy, guys. It's just for four biggest numbers. You add them together, then you add 55. Let me check my pen. There's no pen. Okay, anyways, fine. I'm just gonna go to the calculator. Then 39, 41, 40, 42. Okay, so let's go to the calculator, which is 40 plus 41 plus 42 plus 39 plus 55. That's 217. So our first code is 217. Our first code is 217. So meaning from this code, we're going to say 2 plus 1, we get a 3. We carry that as usual, we get a 37. Then we get the 21 from the code, we get 17 again, which means it's either way, the 21 is the banker today. Then the 7 comes. So which means I'm going to say 21, 7. As a powerful banker that I choose should be 21. But now there are some codes that are not yet exhausted. I'll have to go back there and re-edit. So let us go back there and re-edit. Here we go again to this drawing board, and do a re-edit. We come here because this was for yesterday. Then I'm just gonna make a re-edit. So by doing the re-edit, I'm gonna remove this one and say 217. Perfect. Then we're not yet done because there's another code that I need to verify before. Don't worry about these bonuses. They came yesterday prop, and even today I'm going to leave these bonuses as they are. So let me see that one. It was 42. Okay, I go again to the calculator. There's so many pages opening. 42 plus 55, I get 137. So correct. I'm going to remove this one and put 137 because we need to monitor this code very well. Okay, then I go again to this one, 39 plus 41. That's how you do you predict your codes. It was what? 39 41. 39 plus 41 plus 55, that's 135. Okay, cool. So remove 133, we make 135. So now we are sorted. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. We start with 135, then we break that code. 1 plus 35 is 36, which is 39. 1 minus that is 34, which is 43. Spinnable numbers. And then we add 13 plus 5 is 18. We put it down there. Then we come now to this guy and say 1 plus 3, we get a 4. It will give us a 45. That is already dropped yesterday. So if a number is dropped like 45 yesterday, we have to convert this 45 into the home figure. The home figure of 45 is 9. Do you see that? That's how we play the numbers. Then if we subtract again and say 1 minus 3, we get a 2. Then we get a 25 there. We put our 25 down. It's okay. Perfect. We go to the second code, 137. So remember this code 135, I mean, it gave us a 15 during the day. So it is easy, guys. If you see that a number is dropped, Those ones that haven't dropped, they are coming. It's always like that with this course. That's what I love about this course. If the numbers drop, you have a clear eye now. Okay, this one which hasn't dropped is going to drop, and definitely it always does drop, you know. Okay, cool. So code 137, 17 dropped. We good with that. 13 isn't dropped, so we put down a 13. Then now we say 13 plus 2 plus 7, that's a 20, minus 7, that's a 5. 1 plus 37, 38. 1 minus that is 36. So 36 has appeared twice, which is going to be a bonus ball. That is why I left this 36 to be the bonus ball, because I know why. Okay, then we go to this other code, 207. Sometimes if I skip a section, you guys, you can always go back to the codes and check and recheck. Okay, here I'm going to pick 21 as my banker today. 21 and 17 is the bankers. Okay, 17 did drop yesterday. So if 17 has dropped, because 17 is an odd number. When I say an odd number, it's a number that when you divide it by 2, it gives you a remainder. So instead of changing it into a home figure, this is what we do in mathematics. We multiply by 2, it will give us a 34, which is also coming 34 or 43. Do you see that? So if a number has dropped, then you check. If it's an odd, you can always multiply. But if it's an even number, you divide or you convert it into a home figure. Those are the two options that you have. Then we're going to say here 217. We say 2 plus 17 is giving us a 19. 2 minus that is giving us a 15. So the 15 dropped yesterday. 15 is an odd number. 15 is an odd, so we're going to say 15 times 2. We get a 30. Instead, you will see that if I change 15 into a home figure, it's giving me a 6. A 6, that is a number that is like a spinable number, is a 9. You know, so because the reason why I'm not going to use a home figure for the 15 is because of already I have the 9th. I've seen the 9th somewhere around. So guys, you see how you break these codes. It's very, very simple, but it needs you guys to put yourself inside the codes. 217 also gives us a 28. This is the number. You see this number 21, 28. You can play this number with 100 rand. You know, when I say 100 rand number, it always comes. Then if I say 17 minus 21, it gives me a 14. So 21, 14 is always a good number. 21, 7 is always a good number. Then Helen does this 21. This is what I have for today, guys. If you have an extra, maybe you've got extra time, you can go to the pairing app and recheck where which numbers go with the 21, and then you can always nail them. This is what it is, guys. So if you're interested in buying my books, you're just going to follow the link in the first comment of the video, then you're sorted out. Thank you very much.